See, 21st century is a era of digitalization or era of information technology and more electronic gadgets that is coming to help the human race in all the fields, maybe in mechanical help. So that same thing has been come into the healthcare also. So the last year's World Heart Day theme was that to use these digital technologies for the help of the patient. So I think one of the basic or the landmark breakthrough in the management of coronary artery disease, that is what we commonly known as heart attack, is basically making the patient observing in a coronary care unit. By mere observing for an arrhythmia and correcting the arrhythmia with an electrical shock, one could reduce the mortality, the death rate by about 30%. Only after that, the major advances like thrombolytic drugs, angioplasty, all further added it to the benefit. So any heart disease patient, the first thing is to observe for arrhythmias and the hemodynamic disturbances. So that is why the CCU concept has come. But we all know it is CCU is actually a place where patient cannot move by himself. So a real-time cardiac arrhythmia disturbances cannot be obtained in CC alone. So once you shift the patient to the ward, if they can be monitored with the non-invasive gadgets, I think that is going to help physicians in the day-to-day patient management. And this smart wireless devices system is in our hospital. We have implemented it for the last 1 year. So through the system, we could detect near cardiac death events like arrhythmias before the patient or bystander recognizes. We could save at least few lives. So I think this is the way of the future. More and more uh, technologies, wireless devices with which patient can walk, go to the toilet, because many times patients fall while they go to the toilet for taking bath or for their bowel movements. So maybe no one there is to monitor, but and many times persons are found collapsed in the toilet after say 60 minutes or 30 minutes of not coming out of the toilet. So anyway, patient monitoring, the cardiac monitoring by wearable devices is will be highly useful, and it is the future technology in the cardiac healthcare. Thank you.
Life Science IMS